In this video, we are going to take a look at the Apple Magsafe charging pad for iPhones. This is compatible with all iPhones from the iPhone 12 and up. Magsafe for iPhones is basically a wireless charging pad that's more efficient than a Qi charging pad because the magnets hold it in very close proximity to the phone. Now, if you have a case on your iPhone, you need to make sure it's Magsafe compatible, or else it won't stay on the phone very well and you'll get reduced charging speed. These can charge iPhones at 15 watts until the phone hits 50% battery life, at which point the speed is throttled to 10 watt power. Apple recommends you use a 20 watt USB-C power adapter with these to get maximum speed of charging. I'm using mine with the standard Apple charger and having great luck, but I also use it regularly with my Leviton USB-C receptacles that have two USB-C ports built in. The Apple Magsafe charger goes for around $30, and to get a USB-C 20 watt brick, you're going to be spending another $20 or so it's not cheap to use Magsafe. But since there's no physical connector, these are very durable and should last a long time. The biggest drawback to Magsafe is the cost, the case compatibility issues, and the fact that Apple Magsafe chargers only have a 3-foot long cord. I wish Apple made it 6 foot because then it would be a lot more useful. So overall, this is a great charger to use with your iPhone, or it also works well with the AirPods with the Magsafe case. And it's also compatible with all devices that support wireless charging, though you won't be able to take advantage of the magnetic attachment feature. I have links to buy the Apple Magsafe charger and the USB-C power adapter in the description below.